Hey there. Raise your hand if you've ever felt like life is moving too fast and you just can't keep up. Work, relationships, goals. It's like you're juggling a million things, but nothing really sticks. Sound familiar? Well, what if I told you there's a way to take control, boost your productivity, and finally achieve the life you've been dreaming of? And guess what? It's all hidden in one powerful book. Atomic Habits by James Clear. But here's the thing. I'm not just going to give you another boring summary. Nope. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use these tiny habits to create massive changes in your life. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be ready to take action and transform your life. So, are you ready? Let's dive in. Imagine this. You're standing at the top of a snowy mountain. You push a tiny snowball down the hill. At first, it's small, almost insignificant. But as it rolls, it grows and grows until it becomes an unstoppable force. That's the power of atomic habits. Small, consistent actions that compound over time to create life-changing results. James Clear calls this the 1% rule. Just 1% improvement every day can lead to a 37 times improvement over a year. That's not magic, it's science. And today, I'm going to break it down into 3 simple steps you can start using right now. Step 1. Make it obvious. First, you need to see your habits. Most of us run on autopilot, doing things without even thinking. James Clear suggests using something called habit stacking. Here's how it works. Take a habit you already do, like brushing your teeth, and stack a new habit on top of it, like doing 5 push-ups. Boom! You've just made your new habit obvious and easy to remember. Step 2. Make it attractive. Next, you need to want to do it. Our brains are wired to seek pleasure and avoid pain. So, pair your new habit with something you enjoy. For example, if you want to read more, grab your favorite drink, cozy up in your favorite spot, and make it a ritual. Suddenly, reading doesn't feel like a chore. It feels like a treat. Step 3. Make it easy. Finally, reduce friction. If you want to go to the gym, lay out your workout clothes the night before. If you want to eat healthier, prep your meals in advance. The easier you make it, the more likely you are to stick with it. Remember, it's not about motivation. It's about making the right choices effortless. Here's the truth. Change isn't easy, but it's worth it. Every time you show up for yourself, even in the smallest way, you're proving that you're capable of more. You're building trust in yourself. And that's where the real magic happens. Think about it. What would your life look like if you just started showing up 1% better every day? In a year, you could be healthier, happier, and closer to your dreams than ever before. But it all starts with one tiny step, one atomic habit. All right, it's your turn. Pick one small habit you want to start today. Write it down, make it obvious, make it attractive, and make it easy. Then, drop a comment below and tell me what it is. Let's hold each other accountable. And if you found this video helpful, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who needs a little push. Remember, small steps lead to big changes. So, what are you waiting for? Let's go crush it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep showing up, keep growing, and keep being amazing. You've got this.